Hello everyone, I am Danish Ahmed from 4th Standard C section of Delhi Public School, Mysore. I belong to another house. I would like to recite a poem for you all. Title of my poem is Positive Effects of Lockdown on Nature by Pankhuri. There are many positive effects of lockdown here. Many changes in the nature did appear. The nature looks like like our absence. Birds and animals enjoy their existence. Nature, we have given the control to nature, to the scared hiding creatures, from the clear water in Venice to the blue skies in Delhi. No traffic and no street smelly. We now can see this clean earth. This lockdown is really worth. The pollution reduced. Now the air is clean. We get oxygen from the woods and green. The motorways clear and the factories close. No more pollution. I suppose we spent millions to clean the rivers, but still dump our waste in the sewers. The ozone layer is now healing better than before. Now we are feeling. The animals are now free to move. This environment has just improved. So this lockdown is very useful, and the surroundings are quite peaceful. Thank you and have a nice day. By Danish Ahmed.